All right, guys, so it's recording day for the Pixel 3 AXL. Got it up here for you. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Going to look at 1080p at 60 frames per second. Stabilization, just walk the block, do it like that, and see what we run into. I got to go to the store. I got to run some errands. But first, I wanted to give at least this 1080p sample for you guys right here on the Pixel 3 AXL. We'll do more coverage later on, too. All right, Team Pixel, we're gonna go for a walk, give you a little bit of an extended look at the camera. Gonna do my walk around the block. See how this thing holds up. Audio turns out to be really good on this camera compared to, the first Pixel 3 that they had, it had some audio issues, but they fixed that quickly. Well, I don't say quickly, but they fixed it. But audio on this one looks pretty good. So this is an extended look at 1080p at 60 frames per second. The crop on it is really close, so be mindful of that. If you're gonna shoot a subject, make sure it's far away. I think the colors being reproduced are really, really nice. It's always funny, man, when I'm recording. It's like people today, a true story while I'm doing this video. I was walking this block, and it was this lady walking with her kids, right? All of a sudden, she just got mad. I got the video, but I'm not going to put it out. I'm not going to expose this lady. I have my own personal reasons why she got so upset, but it was weird. I'm just walking down the street like this, talking and recording like this, and she just flips out. What are you doing? You walking around recording people? I was like, wow, I can't even walk down the block without getting harassed by some random person because they see a camera. And the funny part is, I wasn't even pointing at her. She could see that I was pointing at the sky and everything. You know what I'm saying? It was a trip, man. I just looked at this lady and said, keep it moving, lady. Keep it pushing. Look, there go Popo's right there. I wonder if they're going to turn around and come back. Whoa, look at this. I hope they say something to me. Okay. Anyway, yeah. They know me in this neighborhood. They know that I'm always filming. But that lady was a trip, man. She was like, what are you doing? Anyway, what do you think about the quality? How's the stabilization? How's it looking? This lady right here is real cool, man. She walks her dog all the time. Got an expensive dog, too. But people freak out when they see a camera, though. How you doing? All right, doing good. Taking my walk. Oh, it sure is. So we circled the block. You can see the quality of the camera, the microphones, the stabilization, everything. There's the green machine. You haven't seen that in a minute. You probably thought it was gone. Nope, still here. So that's an extended look at 1080p at 60 frames per second on what people are calling the new budget king. That's what they're calling it. They're calling it the new budget king. We shall see. Look, here's Popos again. Look, let's see if he say something to me. Maybe he's looking for somebody. Not in this neighborhood. No neighborhood is free of crime, folks. No neighborhood is. Anyway, it's your man Jay, extended look at the Pixel 3 AXL rear camera, 1080p, 60 FPS. He got somebody.